Hello everybody. So today I am working on this MDF round, and I thought since I have to prep it for resin anyway, I thought I might as well put some design into it. The MDF, I probably even sprayed it with a clear primer. I painted it with Kills 2, and I painted it with just some acrylic paint. You can see the top portion there is unbleached titanium, and then just some of the turquoise. I just wanted to spread some more paint around just to give it, that extra little protection for sealing it. The back side is also spray painted, and it's taped for the drips later for the resin. So I thought I would do a round and maybe a beach scene. So I decided I just want to get some lacing and some beach at the, well, I'm tilting it downwards so you can see obviously where the beach is going to be the gold. I'm using gold and turquoise and white. So I put the white on first just so it's already covered at the one end, and then I just rolled it over the gold and the turquoise here because I only want it to pop up the little cells and the lacing at the one end, because that will be my beach for when I start using my resin. So there's some weird spots here. You can see off to the left there's a bit of blue. I'm not worrying about the weird stuff that shows up because that will be covered up with resin anyway. So I'm not worried about it. I don't put more paint on it to roll it off or anything. So little by little the cells start popping up, and I get my little beachfront area there, and then I will resin this at some point, and I'll add probably some turquoise water area and some white beach waves, but not too crazy on the waves. I do my resining out in the garage, so my table out there is all set up, and it's very hot here, so today's a cooler day, so I'm just kind of getting things ready and prepping some boards. So like I say, for this one I decided to prep it as far as doing an acrylic pour on it, and kind of that way it's good and sealed and ready for my resin. Alright, so I'll just let you watch. It's just a quick video, just for this basic underpainting for my next part outside when I get my resin going. You can see there I have my front area, and then up right where the white begins I will start blowing over a little bit of waves, and then as the painting goes up there into the white, that's going to be a dark turquoise probably, and I don't know, I'll have to see the colors when this dries so I know which colors of my resin I want to use, of my tints. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. So I just wanted to add that I think I will just post this as part 1 for this piece, because it's going to have to sit for probably, well, I always wait 3 weeks before I do anything further to anything acrylic pour wise. So yeah, I'm going to upload this, and this will be part 1. Thanks again for watching. Have a great evening.